What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to format a hard drive or an SSD quickly, even if it doesn't show up in Windows Disk Management, using the diskpart utility. So what you're going to need is a USB to SATA. These are really cheap. Plug one side into your drive, and we're going to plug the other side into your USB port on your Windows computer. Alright. And what I like to do first is check the drive health. We do that using a program called Crystal Disk. I'll have the link in the description. So yeah, basically this will show you if your disk is good or not. This one is going to be your computer hard drive, and this one is the drive I have on the USB to SATA. So it's good, so it's ready to be formatted using the diskpart utility. And so you're going to hit the Windows and the R key, and you're going to type in diskpart, and hit OK, and then hit yes. Alright, and you'll see it brings up this command window, and we're going to type in list disk. I'll have all these commands listed in the description as well. Select that disk 1, because that's going to be the one we want to format. Clean it, convert R. And you have to create the partition, the first one. Select partition 1, and then you can format it. And after this is done, it'll be like a brand new drive, ready to install any OS on it, or basically do anything with it. You see it successfully formatted it. So we're going to exit, and then you can eject it. Alright, hopefully this helps some of you guys out. If it did, leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Peace.